Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tools Pro. In today's video, we're covering 20 must-have Wera tools every electrician needs in 2026. These tools are built for safety, precision, and efficiency, helping professionals handle modern electrical installations, control panels, and service work with confidence. The Wera Joker 6004 VDE set is an advanced insulated wrench solution for professional electricians. Certified for live work up to 1000 volts, these self-adjusting open-end wrenches automatically grip multiple metric sizes, eliminating constant tool changes. The innovative jaw design ensures a secure hold while reducing the risk of rounding fasteners. Its slim profile allows easy access inside crowded electrical panels and distribution boards. High-quality insulation and durable steel construction make the set reliable for daily professional use. Ideal for terminal connections, bus bars, and control cabinets, the Joker 6004 VDE improves workflow speed while maintaining the highest safety standards in electrical environments. The Wera Safe Torque Speed Series 7500 VDE torque screwdriver is engineered for electricians who require precise torque control. VDE certified up to 1000 volts, it ensures safety when working on live electrical components. The rapid torque lock mechanism prevents over-tightening, protecting sensitive terminals and connections. Its rapid torque adjustment and free-spinning sleeve allow faster work during repetitive fastening tasks. The ergonomic Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue while providing excellent grip and control. Ideal for switchgear, circuit breakers, and control panels, this screwdriver guarantees accurate torque application while meeting modern electrical safety and installation standards. The Wera ToolCheck Facelift is a compact and versatile toolkit designed for electricians who need maximum functionality in minimal space. It combines bits, sockets, and a fine-tooth Zyklop ratchet in one durable holder. The ratchet allows precise control in confined areas, making it perfect for panel work and maintenance tasks. High-quality bits ensure excellent screw engagement and long-lasting performance. Its portable design easily fits into a pocket or tool bag, replacing bulky toolboxes for service jobs. Ideal for quick repairs and installations, the ToolCheck Facelift delivers professional-grade performance wherever you work.
The Wera Joker 6007 ratcheting wrench set is built for speed and precision in professional electrical work. Featuring an integrated ratchet mechanism, it allows continuous fastening without repositioning the wrench. The slim head design provides excellent access in tight spaces, such as cable trays and enclosures. Manufactured from high-strength steel, these wrenches deliver durability under heavy use. The secure grip reduces fastener slippage and improves efficiency. Ideal for mounting electrical cabinets, industrial installations, and mechanical connections, the Joker 6007 helps electricians complete tasks faster while maintaining precision and control. The Wera 837 IRA Kraftform Handle is a ratcheting screwdriver handle designed for professional electricians. It features a smooth ratchet mechanism for fast screw driving with minimal wrist movement, reducing fatigue during long installation sessions. The ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures a secure grip and precise control in confined spaces. Its blade holding system allows easy and secure changes of Wera interchangeable blades, keeping work efficient and organized. Perfect for control cabinets, terminal blocks, and service work, it provides durability and reliability in high-demand professional environments. This handle is essential for electricians who want speed, comfort, and precision in one compact tool. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 20 RA-R screwdriver set is an all-in-one solution for electricians who need versatility and precision. It includes a ratcheting handle and 20 high-quality bits stored inside the ergonomic handle for portability. The integrated ratchet mechanism allows fast screw driving in both directions without removing the tool from the screw. The Kraftform handle provides maximum comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its compact design makes it ideal for electrical panels, equipment cabinets, and tight workspaces. The robust bits deliver long-lasting durability, making this set perfect for electricians who need a professional, portable, and reliable tool solution. Wera Click Torque Lock adjustable wrenches provide precise torque settings for safe electrical work. Each wrench is VDE tested and rated up to 1,000 volts, making it safe for live working. The torque lock function allows electricians to set the desired torque, preventing over-tightening of sensitive fasteners in control panels and switchgear. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during repetitive tasks, while the robust steel construction guarantees durability in demanding environments. The wrenches are easy to adjust and maintain, allowing accurate torque application on various nuts and bolts. Ideal for professional electrical installations, these wrenches combine precision, safety, and ergonomic efficiency for electricians on any job site.
The Wera 410i VDE BRA T-handle adapter screwdriver is a versatile tool for electricians working with insulated sockets. Certified for live work up to 1,000 volts, it ensures maximum safety. The T-handle design provides high torque with minimal effort, while the ratcheting mechanism allows efficient screw driving without repositioning. It accepts 3/8-inch socket inserts, making it perfect for panel installations and equipment maintenance. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during repetitive tasks, and the robust build guarantees long-term durability. Ideal for control cabinets, switchgear, and service work, this tool allows electricians to work efficiently, safely, and precisely in tight or high-torque applications. The Wera Zyklop Pocket Ratchet is a compact and portable tool designed for professional electricians. Its small size makes it perfect for tight spaces inside control panels and junction boxes. The fine-tooth ratchet mechanism allows precise fastening and smooth operation, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort during long tasks. The ratchet accepts multiple bits and sockets for versatile usage, and the secure locking system keeps them in place during work. Ideal for electrical installations, equipment maintenance, and service jobs, the Zyklop Pocket combines portability, precision, and durability. This tool ensures fast, efficient screw driving without compromising safety or quality, making it a must-have for every professional electrician. The Wera Ball Grip Screwdriver is designed for high-speed and ergonomic screw driving. Its unique handle shape provides maximum torque with minimal effort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged work. The ball-shaped grip allows fast wrist rotation, enabling electricians to work efficiently in cramped spaces, such as panels and switchgear. High-quality hardened steel bits ensure precise screw engagement and long-lasting performance. Ideal for repetitive installation tasks, maintenance, and control panel assembly, this screwdriver combines comfort, speed, and precision. Its durable design and innovative handle make it an essential addition to any electrician's toolkit. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE-17 is a universal, one-tool solution for electricians. Fully VDE certified for up to 1,000 volts, it ensures safe work on live systems. This compact set includes a range of insulated bits stored inside an ergonomic handle for portability. The Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue and improves torque control, while the secure bit retention system keeps tools organized. Ideal for electrical panels, service work, and tight spaces, this tool eliminates the need to carry multiple screwdrivers. Its combination of safety, versatility, and ergonomic design make it an essential tool for any electrician. The Wera 9530 torque wrench set is engineered for precision torque control in professional electrical installations. Its adjustable range ensures accurate fastening of sensitive components, preventing damage to connections. VDE certified up to 1,000 volts, it allows safe use in live environments. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended tasks, while the clear torque scale enables quick and precise adjustments. Suitable for HVAC, electrical panels, and switchgear assembly, this set ensures compliance with industry torque specifications. With high-strength steel construction and reliable calibration, the 9530 torque wrench is indispensable for electricians who need accuracy, safety, and durability in every fastening application. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt Stubby is a compact screwdriver set designed for tight spaces where standard tools cannot reach. Its short handle and ergonomic design allow maximum torque with minimal effort. The set includes a range of insulated and non-insulated bits, all stored securely in the handle for portability. Perfect for electricians working in panels, junction boxes, and small enclosures, it ensures fast and precise screwdriving. The high-quality bits offer long-lasting durability, and the Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue. This set combines convenience, safety, and performance, making it ideal for professional electricians handling repetitive or confined installation tasks. The Wera VDE Big Pack 1 is a comprehensive toolkit designed for professional electricians. Fully VDE certified for safe work up to 1,000 volts, it includes a range of insulated screwdrivers, bits, and accessories stored in a compact organizer. The ergonomic handles provide comfort during prolonged tasks, and the secure storage ensures tools are always accessible. Ideal for control panel installation, maintenance, and service work, this set allows electricians to carry all essential tools in one pack. With high-strength steel construction and precise engineering, the Wera VDE Big Pack 1 delivers durability, efficiency, and professional-grade performance for demanding electrical applications. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 400 is a versatile screwdriver set designed for professional electricians. It includes a wide range of insulated and non-insulated bits stored compactly inside the handle for portability. The ergonomic Kraftform handle ensures comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue, while providing excellent torque control. Its durable bits deliver long-lasting precision for repetitive tasks such as terminal connections, panel installations, and maintenance work. Ideal for tight spaces, this set allows electricians to carry all essential tools in one compact solution. With VDE certification and high-quality steel construction, the Kraftform Kompakt 400 ensures safety, reliability, and efficiency for demanding electrical applications. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7 is a professional-grade screwdriver set for electricians working on live installations. Fully VDE certified up to 1,000 volts, it provides maximum safety during electrical work. The ergonomic Kraftform handle reduces hand fatigue while allowing precise torque control. The set contains 7 essential insulated bits for panel work, service jobs, and maintenance tasks, all stored securely in the compact handle. High-quality steel construction ensures durability, while the portable design keeps the tools easily accessible. Perfect for service electricians and professionals in tight spaces, this set combines efficiency, safety, and versatility in one convenient tool solution. The Wera Joker 6006 set is a self-adjusting, double-ended, open-end wrench set designed for electricians and industrial professionals. Fully VDE certified for safe work on live systems up to 1,000 volts, it allows efficient fastening across multiple metric sizes without switching tools. The self-adjusting mechanism grips nuts securely, preventing slippage and reducing damage. Slim head design grants access to tight spaces, making it ideal for control panels, enclosures, and electrical equipment. Constructed from high-strength steel with precision engineering, the Joker 6006 ensures durability and consistent performance. This set is perfect for electricians seeking speed, reliability, and ergonomic design in both installation and maintenance tasks. The Wera Belt B VDE 1 is a highly practical tool set designed for electricians who frequently work on live electrical systems. Fully VDE certified up to 1,000 volts, it provides maximum safety during installation and maintenance tasks. The flexible belt holder allows insulated Zyklop bit sockets to be carried directly on the body, ensuring fast access when working on ladders or in tight spaces. Each socket features Wera's holding function, preventing screws from slipping or falling during overhead work. The 1/8-inch drive offers strong torque transfer while maintaining insulation integrity. Ideal for switchgear, control cabinets, and electrical service work, this set significantly improves efficiency and on-site organization. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 900 is an all-in-one screwdriver set built for professional electricians who need portability and versatility. It features a ratcheting handle and an assortment of high-quality bits, all securely stored in the handle for easy transport. The ergonomic Kraftform design reduces hand fatigue and provides precise torque control, while the ratchet mechanism speeds up repetitive tasks. Ideal for panel work, switchgear installations, and service maintenance, this set replaces multiple screwdrivers and enhances workflow efficiency. Constructed from durable steel, the bits maintain long-lasting precision. With its compact size, versatility, and VDE safety certification, the Kraftform Kompakt 900 is a must-have for electricians and technicians working in tight spaces. The Wera Kraftform Kompakt 100 is a high-quality screwdriver set designed for electricians who need a compact and portable tool solution. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort and precision, reducing hand fatigue during long installations or maintenance work. The set includes a variety of insulated and non-insulated bits, all securely stored inside the handle, making it perfect for tight spaces such as control panels, switchgear, and junction boxes. The robust steel bits ensure long-lasting performance and precise screw engagement. With VDE certification for safety on live circuits, the Kraftform Kompakt 100 delivers professional-grade reliability, efficiency, and versatility. This set is an essential tool for any electrician who demands speed, safety, and precision on every job. That wraps up our list of 20 must-have Wera tools every electrician needs in 2026. If you value safety, precision, and professional performance, these tools are worth the investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Power Tools Pro for more expert tool content.